Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Next question from meaning and importance of economics. What is the base for all economic activities? So ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮೂಲ ಆಧಾರ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. Okay, what is the base for all economic activities? We all know that human wants are unlimited, isn't it? So ನಮ್ಮ ಬಯಕೆಗಳು ಮಾನವನ ಬಯಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So goods and services have the capacity to satisfy our desires and wants. Okay, so this become selling of goods and services is considered as economic activity. Why do they sell the goods? Because they have the capacity to satisfy our needs and wants and desires, isn't it? So the root for all economic activities is human desire, human want. Okay, so ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸೊ ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಖರೀದಿ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. So if there is a demand, there will be seller and the buyer. Okay, so this selling and buying of goods and services is trade. So trade is an economic activity. Okay, so itara human desire is the base for all economic activities. Okay, thank you.